Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Beanbag Chair. Number 5.
Kenwood DDX26BT 6.2 in double DIN. Kenwood DDX26BT in receiver. Power output, peak, 50 watts x 4 channels /RMS, 22 watts x 4 channels. 6.2 LCD touchscreen display, resolution, 800 x 480. Siri eyes-free control. Direct iPod and iPhone control, standard USB to iPod cable and USB to Lightning cable compatible.
Number 4.
Pioneer AVH210X in -2 DIN. In Bluetooth, hands-free profile, HFP, audio/video remote control profile, AVR, advanced audio distribution profile, A2DP, secure simple pairing, SSP. 5 display colors with 112 key colors. Auxiliary input, backup camera input, wired remote input, composite video output, 1 to 3. 5 mm, audio/video, digital media playback, CD/CDR/CDRW playback, DVD/CD/USB MP3/WMA/AAC.
Bluetooth, built-in Bluetooth, hands-free profile, HFP, audio, video remote control profile, AVR, advanced audio distribution profile, A2D. Number 3.
Pioneer AVH-X390BS double DIN. Pioneer AVH-X390BS double DIN. Put, peak, 50 watts x 4 channels /RMS, 14 watts x 4 channels. Mix tracks, blends songs together DJ style.
Time alignment optimizes music for where you're sitting in the vehicle. CD text information display, MP3 ID3 tag display, title/artist/album. Number 2. Pioneer AVH210X in -2 DIN. Tin Bluetooth, hands-free profile, HFP, audio, video remote control profile. Five display colors with 112 key colors. Camera input, wired remote input, composite video output, 1-3. DVD/CD/USB MP3/WMA/AAC/WAV audio playback. Number 1. Pioneer Double DIN 2-car audio 6.2-inch touchscreen double DIN. Apple and Android support. Peak power output, 50 watts x 4 channels, RMS power output, 14 watts x 4 channels. CEA 2006 compliant amplifier, Android Music support. 9 sets of 2 volts preamp outputs, front, rear and subwoofer. Car waterproof and night vision full license plate backup camera, easy to install.